Hello, my friends. If you are here to look into how to make money online, I'm your guy. I can show you how to do it. I used to be a working stiff just like everybody else. I went to a job every single day, clocked in every single day, worked two full-time jobs, and now I don't have to do that anymore. I was able to replace a full-time income with this system, and I can show you exactly how to do it. One of the things that people always say whenever they're thinking back and forth on how they can make money online, their excuses are always the same. It's always the same three excuses, right? I don't have time, I don't have a following, and I don't know how. Well, here's what well, no, there's a fourth one too. The fourth one is I don't want to show my face on camera. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get around that with this system and still make money online. All right. So I'm a digital marketer. My name's Cory. If you didn't know, you're on my channel, so obviously you do. But I'm a digital marketer and I market financial products for a company called MyEcon. You can check into MyEcon, MYECON, right there. You can check them out. They've been in business for 20 years. They got an A+ accreditation with the Better Business Bureau. They have a global expansion that they just went through. So they do have relationships with the FTC, with the IRS. They are an actual real legit company. And I want to put this out there. If you're looking into this, there is no courses to buy. There's nothing like that. But mainly, more importantly, when you sign up, you are going to be signing up through MyEcon, this actual company. Not me, not anybody else, not any, you're not going to be giving your personal information or payment information to me or anybody else. You would only give that to MyEcon. Nobody that's involved with MyEcon will ever ask you for your payment information. You only give that to MyEcon. I just wanted to put that out there. Now, I want to take away the I don't want to show my face excuse, okay? Because you don't have to. Now, I like to. I used to not. Whenever I first started into this, I didn't like showing my face, so I used this content that I'm about to show you. I go over this in the training series right here on my YouTube channel. You can check that out, that playlist. It's a 7-video series, and it goes through absolutely everything that you need to know, especially the last video shows you every penny that you would need to spend if you want to get involved. But this is what I want to show you. I don't have a following. Yeah, you don't need a following. Plus, everybody that does have a following got started somewhere. So if you keep using that excuse of I don't have a following on social media, well, you're never going to if you don't start, right? So you got to get started somewhere. Don't go out there and buy that $600 course or those stupid, $1,100 strategy things. Don't do that. You don't need that. 25 bucks is all it takes to get access to all of this stuff, and you can get started. Going off on a tangent. I want to show you. I want to show you this. So on our training site right here. So here is the vault. It takes you into this vault where we have all of these. It's like 1,000 pieces of content. So you can use these. You have access to all of these absolutely free. So you get access to the vault and all of this. You don't have to pay anything extra for it. All right. Now, if you go into the faceless category and you want to make videos, you can do videos. You can see wording examples. This is going to show you, you can make a video. You can use this and you can just download this. And instead of putting this drop a comment, you can just put your link in there. That's what I did. I just put my grabthislink.com in there. Right? But these are just download and post. You have all of these that you can do download and post just on Faceless. Also in Faceless, you have the grab and go, no editing. The thing about these no editing ones, they're gonna be the ones that are gonna tell people to drop a comment, and then you just got to go in and respond to the comment and tell them to go to your website. So all of this stuff, you have access to all of this stuff. This is a ton of stuff, and you don't need really anything else because all you got to do is change these up a little bit, change the wording up a little bit, and you can just keep reposting them. Once you get out there and you get started, you will get the confidence to start showing your face online. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can stay not, but you can see all these other ones right here. We even have all these other pieces of content, all the stock footage. Now these are blank. Basically, you just go in here and you put your own wording in there. You can put your link in there. You can tell people to drop a comment. You can do whatever you want. But all of these, you have access to all of these, and none of them cost you anything extra. All of this stuff is included. Everything that you see that I go over is included. You don't have to pay extra. You'll never be upsold. Go to that playlist, watch those 7 videos, and pay attention to that last one, or skip to the last one. It'll show you every single time you need to spend. But I'm telling you right now, if you want to make money online, this is the way to do it. Don't go out there and do any of that other crap about buying a course or joining a coaching program. You don't need, or paying for email lists. You don't need that. You don't have to do any of that crap. Just get started with an affiliate program or a digital marketing program with a company that's a reliable, absolutely stable company like MyEcon. Been in business for 20 years, so they know what they're doing. They're doing the same thing. And it obviously works because they have people like me making money online and people like you that can make money online too. All you got to do is get started. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, hit that like button if you haven't, and get started. Go to grabthislink.com, or right up here is my phone number, my email. If you got any questions, there it is. See you out there.